Welcome to AndroIndian. Today we contrast two iconic projects to redefine success. Can a project be late and over budget, yet still be a success? Let's explore. Sydney, 1957, a bold initiation phase driven by a visionary architectural design. Danish architect Utzon's shells were groundbreaking, pushing engineering boundaries. But planning was complex. The geometry posed unforeseen technical hurdles. Costs skyrocketed from $7 million to over $100 million across 14 years. Mismanaged by traditional metrics, yet today it's an $11 billion cultural icon. Execution birthed innovations in wind testing and spherical geometry used worldwide. Sydney proves that visionary value can eventually outshine initial budget failures. In contrast, Montreal's Highway 15 projects show the cost of poor planning. The original bridge failed prematurely due to salt corrosion and lack of foresight. A multi-billion-dollar replacement began, but surrounding projects faced gaps. In Verdun, an overpass was demolished just 2 years after its $10 million rebuild. Poor coordination between phases meant it simply didn't align with the new bridge. Fragmented planning leads to massive waste, even when individual components seem sound. The lesson? Sydney had vision. Montreal had gaps. Alignment is the key to success. Lesson 1. Focus on long-term stakeholder value over immediate constraints. Lesson 2. Ensure every sub-project aligns with the master strategic goal. Lesson 3. Plan for the entire life cycle, including environmental risks. In India, from the metro to UPI, success comes from prioritizing scalability and purpose. At AndroIndian, we use AI to identify these risks before execution begins. Leadership is about balance, innovation tempered by rigorous coordination. Project management is simple. Align your vision with your reality. Build for tomorrow. For more guides and strategy, visit AndroIndian.com. Subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.